All right, today we're going to bring a chair for your actual shower. So this is to help you stabilize yourself if you're getting elderly or you have older parents that need somewhere to hold on, because it's very slippery in the shower. This is the perfect way to do it. So we're going to put it together. It comes with instructions. They give you the screws and also the tools to put it together, all right? And a little shower bag here. And I'm going to demonstrate you how it looks and how it works. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, so here's our final product. Now this one's adhesive. It's glued in. If you guys, well, it's not glued, it's taped in. If you guys can see it, there's handles here. Now I like that they give you options to lift up, to elevate this any size you want, up or down. Now one of the options they came with was a little hanger so you could put your soaps and stuff like that if you're going to be traveling or maybe in your own house. And then they give you for the shower holder here. So putting it together was easy. It took me about 20 minutes to put it together. Following the instructions, all right? The hardest part was probably just putting these things in here, tighten them up, and that's pretty much what they did. And they're hand tight, so you could take them apart and travel with it. Now, this is not foldable. You're gonna have to take it apart in order to make it, to take it movable, all right? So just to let you guys know, putting it back, it's gonna be the same options. Now, we could lift these up as high as up to level 4, pretty much 4 levels. And I like the seat. You could replace this down the line. It has 2 handles. We'll put it in the bathroom, see how it looks. All right, let's take a look at the actual shower seat. It comes with this little hanger. We could have your soap and so forth. Now, if you have a shower like I do, there's actually a stand where you could grab onto it. So let's take a look at it. You guys can see it's very simple. Grabs onto it. Shower. You could take the clip, put it on any side you want. It fits in any kind of standard bathtubs. So very simple, easy to set up. Will last you for many years. It's waterproof. Hope you guys enjoy the video.